Hello, message, quick one. Please design yourself a mask. Don't not like a mask, but just a cover for your mouth and your nose. There will be days when the air gets a bit too heavy or too thick, and this will help in sifting that out, and so that you can be in your garden and be outside to help your lungs. So that's a message. So it's don't go buying disinfectants and putting things on things, because what you're doing is just picking up more things that should not go inside your body, and your nostril being the closest to all your organs that transport all the oxygen and air. I urge of you, find a beautiful fabric that is clean, or just find a nice old dress that you don't use anymore. Make yourself something funky, could come with a headgear and everything. And also for your shoulders, I would recommend finding something of a darker color, a black color, not too much black, because then it just closes up your energies. Just black on your shoulders when you're outside. It's a very protective color. And the most important thing is just to be free in yourself and just be loving to yourself. Hair covering, all those things that they used to tell the Muslims not to do, you go do them. You wrap yourself up, you cover yourself up, and that will help you breathe better, breathe slower. If you get to a point where you feel like you're hyperventilating and the air is too heavy for you, find a blanket, go under the blanket and cover yourself like you're cocooning yourself, and breathe, and just listen to the beat of your heart, not your heartbeat, the beat of your heart. And that will go with flow into all of you, to your toes, to your fingernails, to every one of your points, and you'll be just fine. I love you. Gotta go back. Kisses.